Look at this. We are going again to another property here in Dodbalapur. I'll show you how it looks. Look at that side. Coconut plantation, I believe. And then look over here. It's all forest. We'll be going through this way. And then once we reach to the property, we are going to let you know where exactly we have booked. Look at this. Oh my god, peacock. There are a lot of peacocks there. Almost gonna reach. It's already 6 in the evening. Look at that, man. Oh my god. Look at the hill at the back of the property. Looks very nice. Reached in the property, and look at that. Look at the hill that I already showed you that time. It's very nice. Today is Monday, nobody in the property. You can see there is tent out there, and you can choose as per what you want, where you would want to stay. There is the container home here, and there is one tent. And then tomorrow morning we're going to show you there is one lake which we are going to explore, and then maybe farm tour or something like that. How is this? Is it nice? Buy a nest. So this is how it looks, but it's very hot, man.
You can't stay.
Yeah, container room is going to be very hot during summer. And that's the washroom. Look at this. Look at the view outside. Hello. Namaste. Look at this. There's an outdoor seating over here. If you can see, barbecue thingy. There's the bookshelf out there. Cozy place.
Huh?
This is the dining setup that they have over here. Looks like this. There is kitchen also if you want to cook. There is karaoke, and then this is the outside. That's from where we entered. Okay, this is another room on the ground floor. You have the washroom. These are the beds, and this is how it looks. Okay, so we are going upstairs. We have chosen the upstairs because right now during summer container home is quite hot, and it's not possible to stay there. This is upstairs. This is how it looks.
It's a projector.
Yeah, that's the projector, by the way. Small living area kind of. Let's see how it is. Wow, this is really nice. It looks like this. Workstation for you if you are going to extend your weekend. And then the huge balcony over here. Balcony, your good evening time over here, and you can see that hill that side. Right now it's not visible. We are going to show you in the morning. Look at down there. And then like this sitting area over here. Good morning from the property. It is 7 in the morning and this is how it looks. The whole night it was drizzling like crazy. It was quite a little bit of windy also, and the weather is really chilly today. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's filled with greeneries all around, and then there on top of the hill, and whole night there were a lot of peacock, you know, around the property. So now let's go. We will go and explore that side. Maybe there is a trekking trail also that side. So this is the morning view. Let's see how it looks. Look at that. That's the container home, that's the tent, and then they have some small sports play area also. There's the pool. This is the morning view. Yesterday we came here at night, but then we landed up eating upstairs in the room balcony. This is how it looks. See, at night there's the barbecue section over here, bonfire over here. There's the swing, benches around to sit, and then here there's the pool. This is another option you can choose from. Look at Sailesh. They have a guava farm over here. Look at this. That's guava. Miniature guava tree, yeah? No, Sailesh? Look at this. In the small tree only there are guava which are hanging. Yeah.
What is this one, sir?
Hulukudi Beta. No, that's Hulukudi Beta, no?
Yes.
There's a trekking also, I believe. We have seen that. We will not be able to walk uphill. Look at this. This is how it looks. It's worth it with the price that we have paid. 3,800 is good price, you know. And the food and all, they already have an option. They have the menu from where you can select whatever you want to eat. The caretaker is gonna, they are in the property, so they're gonna cook for you. And also you have an option to order from outside. So yeah, overall it's a nice deal, people. Woo. I was thinking if we could keep our camera there, both of us sitting and talking. We have been filming. guys eating ash. Today, bright day, beautiful day. Yesterday it was drizzling at night. So the day is really chilly today. Otherwise it was very hot, no Sailesh? Justin is taking ash here. Black coffee without sugar. So this is the farm trail. Let's go and explore. It's like all fenced area. I don't know which fruit. There's some flowers growing, blooming there.
Nice place.
Yeah. Come, let's go. Walk till there. Justin, come.
So morning walk.
Oh, Silas, that's pomegranate.
Yes. Pomegranate. And a beautiful walk in the village, right? And that's the stay right there. Again, a beautiful location. Serene. Close to nature, and
Papaya.
that's papaya. What is this?
Pomegranate over there.
Oh. Is it a pomegranate farm then? And that's the mountain that you can trek.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when
This is the container home. This is the room. This is how it looks. There is the tiny sofa, table over here, sink there, mineral water. This is the washroom. It's very clean and like this. Our lunch is here. We have ordered for lemon rice. That's gobi aloo. That's dal, and that's rice, and this is chapati.